Hey everybody, Jimbo here. Welcome back to the King Metals YouTube channel. Today, we're gonna be talking about latches and handles. All right, so some of the important things you need to make a decision about is deciding on whether they need to be for security reasons or decor reasons. And if there's security reasons, you'll need to be sure that it's able to lock from the inside or lock from the outside, whichever you choose to do. And if it's not security, then it is just a decor handle. Also could be installed to the front or the back of the gate, depending on which way the gate swings open or closed. All right, here I have a couple examples from the King Metal website. Now, there's plenty to choose from, but I just have a couple of samples here. Now, this is your standard T-latch type of deadbolt locking assembly. Could be installed to either the front or the back, and it is lockable. You can either lock it in the open or the closed position. This is a thumb latch. This is the most common that you see on most gates everywhere, is a thumb latch. Again, it can be installed to the front or the back of the gate, depending on which way the gate swings, in or out. This particular one is zinc coated, and these you can screw on. It has screw holes, or it can be welded on if you choose to. This one right here is the thumb latch. This is the weld-on thumb latch. Same type of thing, but they've designed it to be welded on. Down here we've got an old 1800 style decor. This is a non-locking, non-security type of latch. This would be used if you had a gate that would be inside the property that's not important to latch. And it gives you that old style look and assembly right here. And all of these latches could be accompanied with handles, depending on the situation. If you have these thumb latches here and they are installed to the back of the gate, you might want a handle on the front to help you open up the gate. And that would be the same with this style latch here as well. So handles come in all different shapes, sizes, and decor. All right, so when installing these gate latches and handles, in most cases, the ideal part would be to install them at the very end. So if you're painting or powder coating, you'll want to have these things painted and powder coated prior to installation, except the weld on. If you're welding any of these on, you'll need to know that everything has to fit up just exactly where you need it to be, and then it gets powder coated and then it gets installed. If you're screwing these on, you've got the flexibility of being able to put the latches in a comfortable position for you. Handles up, down, inside, outside, latches higher, lower, wherever. These can be screwed on after the fact. Like I said, weld-ons, you're committed to that. Once you get this welded on, you don't want to interrupt the paint or the powder coat to move things around. This is just a small sample of what's available on the King Metals website and in their catalog. Just be sure to choose the right latch and handle for your project. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.